Right now, I gotta get back to the Jeep. So bundle back together just to make sure that those stay open. Oh no, oh no. We've lost everything. Man down. Shoo! We gotta get down. My hands are frozen. Howdy. If you're just joining us, we're up here on this mountain in Utah. Didn't get to the peak, but got to one of the key hiking shelters and prominent lakes up here. Right now, I gotta get back to the Jeep. I'm freezing. I don't think I've been this cold since when I used to live in Baltimore for a stint. I was a volunteer firefighter. And on Thanksgiving, we had a big old mansion go up in flames. And we were all just so miserable but having a good time. If you're new here, my name's Joe. I've been living full time out of my outfitted Jeep Wrangler. But I do a ton of things like these big hikes, car camping and fishing. So if you guys like any of that, consider subscribing. But right now we got to get off this mountain and get warm. Ow. Oh. 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 Ow, get these off me. Oh. The past couple of days I've been sleeping in the Salt Lake area, and they had rain and it was freezing, hence why there was so much snow up there. I think we need to go a little bit lower in elevation, maybe towards Moab or towards the Escalante National Forest. I think that's the plan. For some reason, has been leaking lately. Just a slow drip out of the main, not my custom made piece, but out of the actual structure of the jug. So here's the plan. I picked up a bunch of groceries already. I kind of just want to go out into some of the hills here, and we'll probably spend a few days car camping out there. But I'm at Gunnison right now. Let's just find a trail somewhere where we can be secluded. They have some nice split wood already, so hopefully that'll just chill there and there. All right, perfect. This is like a wildlife management area. Oh, phew. So typically you would do this in quarters, but I'm just kind of winging it here. It's effectively going to be the same thing, but now that we have our pieces that we're going to bundle back together, what I want to do is I want to shave out like the lower third or the lower half. Start carving out. Same thing here. We already kind of have that going. Same thing here. So effectively what we want to do is we're going to rejoin and then we're going to bundle it. I should have, I know where. Yes, sir. Got it. One, two. All right. So bundled back together, wrapped together. And then what I want to do is we're going to stick some extra wood in between, slanted, cross-cut. So it keeps actually the bundle open. You don't want the bundle completely tight, so we can let the air in. Just a figure 8 on a follow through. Just gonna do one last one here at the top. This might burn, but just help keep it all together. But as we get a fire going in the middle, we'll keep adding sticks to it and small twigs and stuff just to make sure that those stay open. And we should be good to go. You guys like the stylish pants to shorts? Oh. Ooh. All right. What we chopped off, like the lower third or lower half, kindling, fire starter. So I want some bigger stuff to catch all the smaller stuff. You know, very lightweight stuff. Lightweight, and do a little bit heavier to the heaviest. So it's kind of how we're running it. And we're gonna do this completely natural bushcrafting. No modern technology whatsoever. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That wood is so dry. I don't know if you would consider this a Swedish torch or a Swedish stove. Today we've got asparagus, a huge fillet of salmon, which we're probably only gonna do like half or so. Some small red potatoes, as well as onion. There you go. Oh, nice catch. That one. Oh my gosh, she's going. We'll go here with it for now. Oh, nice, skin on, still good. And then we'll save the rest for another time. A little bit of olive oil in the pan. Skin down. It looks like it's gonna fall apart at any moment, but we'll do that for a little bit. Oh yeah, it smells good. Oh yeah. Definitely should have used wire, of course, to hold everything together. But even then, the small wood would have it would have come undone regardless. Yeah, we'll let it sit there. But let's take this thing down because it's about to fall regardless. Ow. Oh, that's a hot coal in my boot. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Put her back on a little bit. All right.
I'm happy with that. Let's take that off. That's gonna continue to cook there. This is the issue right here. It's already, you can see the tinfoil is breaking through. So let's get that off. Oh no, oh no.
Potatoes are coming out. We've lost everything. Man down. Save the taters. Oh.
Oh no, can we save them? Ah, oh, there's one. Ow, they're lost. We lost two, no.
We lost two good dudes. We lost two of them. The salmon, the backside, should come off as one. Need a little bit more. Potatoes, not even close.
There for potatoes. That'll be fine. Also like radiant heat.
The asparagus is almost done, but the potatoes are going to be an issue. It just is what it is.
Oh yeah, I guess so. Let's get out another few minutes.
Asparagus off, and then potatoes back on.
I think we're all right. Let's see.
Pretty good. A little bit more salt on those potatoes, and then we're dialed. Shoo! There you have it. Absolute beefer of a meal. My God. I'm gonna eat this standing up because I'm so excited. All right. Onion. Ton of salmon. It's just falling right apart on me. Cheers. I should have chopped off the end points of the asparagus. Biggest mistake was just the timing of taking off the salmon to everything else, because it's gotten cold. But I mean, hot potato, salmon, pretty good. This is quite the meal. This is hard to beat. Start the salmon later so it stays warm when everything else is pretty much finishing up. And then the potatoes probably need another like 2 minutes. Game over. That's it. I'm just gonna break all this down. And I still got a few hours of sunlight, but